A commercial project is a big, complicated project with lots and lots of pieces and lots and lots of personnel. And so it's necessary to organize and coordinate all this information. And we do that with a thing called MasterFormat, which is a standardized way of organizing this information. It is produced by our friends at CSI, Construction Specifications Institute, and almost everybody connected with a commercial project uses the MasterFormat numbering system. The chapters in the specifications are sorted by MasterFormat number. The notes on your drawing are labeled by MasterFormat number. Your BIM models in Revit have MasterFormat numbers. If you're an estimator, you're going to turn to your particular section in the specs and your particular section in the drawings and see what they say and put your estimate together, and so on and so forth. Everybody organizes their information by MasterFormat number. It consists of 50 divisions. These are what I would call smart numbers, so each number means something. Division 3 is concrete, as you can see here. Now, when you're thinking about how many divisions there are, if you are from the olden days, before 2004, there were fewer than 50 divisions. MasterFormat got a major overhaul in 2004, and they increased the number of divisions. So if someone asks you how many are there, since 2004 there have been 50 of them. And as you are beginning to notice, these divisions are organized by what kind of construction trade or what kind of work result is involved. Here is a view of the whole MasterFormat skeleton. You'll notice that some divisions are left blank. They are allowing room for more product categories to come in the future that they haven't thought of yet. Well, the main advantage is if you don't have some system for organizing data, you are going to be drowning in a mass of chaotic paperwork. And what I didn't mention here is, and you are probably also going to be facing litigation. So having your information organized is extremely important. It lets us all communicate with each other. So you can say, look in Division 3, I've got this and this there. And it's a methodical way to ensure that no one overlooks something. So we address each division and make sure each one is covered. And what are they? Well, first there are two general groups, and one of them at the top there is procurement and contracting. Procurement means purchasing, and so this is basically bidding and writing of contracts. Then the whole rest of the system is for specifications. The specifications are divided into subgroups. Here's that top one with the procurement and contracting. It's Division 0, and this is how we get to 50 divisions. You notice it goes from Division 0 to Division 49. That gives you 50 divisions. Then the divisions themselves are numbered according to work product. So if you were doing heating and cooling, HVAC, you would be looking in Division 23. If you were doing material handling equipment, like conveyors and hoppers and so forth, you would be looking in Division 41 and so forth. If you work for a subcontractor, you will probably spend all your time in just one division or just a few divisions. Then these numbers can get divided and subdivided into finer and finer detail. So if you're looking at lightweight insulating concrete on the roof, you start out in division 3, which is concrete. Then you go to 352, which is lightweight concrete roof insulation. So okay, we're getting down a little bit finer. Now, for that particular kind of material that is lightweight insulating concrete, it gets divided to 352.16, and then there's a particular subdivision of that lightweight insulating concrete with lightweight aggregate in it, and here think pumice and so forth, that has another .16 subdivision. Here are a few more examples. On the right are examples of how that first division 0 breaks down with the procurement and the contracting and the bidding and so forth. You can see there are a lot of details just related to the bidding process. Here on the left is a small excerpt from concrete work. So again, concrete is division 3. Let's say you do form work. You sell some kind of product for making the formwork for cast-in-place concrete. You will be in probably the 0311 section here somewhere, and you may be focusing in on just one subpart. So there's a look at the numbering system that we use called MasterFormat.